all of the ingredients, but I will tell you how to prepare ingredients. Potatoes, like medium size, cut into big squares. And then carrots, if it is baby carrot, you don't have to cut it. And then bell pepper or capsicum, green. If there's red, it is also included. If you have green peas, you can also put like a handful or like a 3 tablespoon. And then cauliflower, broccoli, and if you have cauliflower and green beans or French beans, you can also add it. And then in the Indian store, you can get a biryani paste, vegetable biryani paste, and then you put everything here with like a 250 ml of water and 3 tablespoons of yogurt or curd, and then stir it like this, and then make it into boil like now, like what I'm doing right now. Make it into boil. So the biryani paste that we bought from Indian store is called Sujata Parampara sauce mix for vegetable biryani. It cost us $2.49, and it will be looking like this. So the preparation is at the back, as you can see. So it depends upon you. This is serves 4 persons, and it's up to you what kind of vegetable you want to put. But here in their direction, there is cut vegetables of potato, cauliflower, peas, French beans, capsicum, carrots, etc. So you can add whatever you like. Entire content of this packet, 3.5 ounce, 100 grams. And then you can put curd or yogurt and 300 ml of water in a cooking pan. Mix well, cover with a lid, and cook for 18 to 20 minutes. Then the biryani, the basmati rice, it should be soaked. Spread the cooked rice, okay, on the cooked vegetable in an even layer. Add cashew nuts, raisins, and 1 tablespoon of pure ghee or clarified butter to it. Mix 1 tablespoon of milk with kesher or saffron. What's this? 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and spread over rice. Cover with a heavy lid and let it cook on steam for 8 to 30 minutes on a low flame. So this is in high heat. This is how it looks like, guys. So need to stir it from time to time. This is the ones that I'm doing. This is what I cook right now. And now it's getting simmered for another at least 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna pour the rice. Vegetables. Here the mix is already cooked. Then you tap the cooked rice on top. Make sure that you're gonna just break it. Until it's break. Use a spoon or something like this to break the rice. As it's cooked, right? It's good to put like nearly cooked rice so that it will be very, very so it will be very, very good and textured, not hard, but just okay rice with that. So you're gonna simmer it for about 15 or 10 minutes. It depends upon you. So you're gonna cover it with a heavy lid. Stop. Close it tight. And then simmer it. Simmer it for about 10 minutes. Okay guys, I've already put the rice and I the cooked rice. I put it on top. Okay, this is how it looks like. And now we're gonna simmer it for about 10 to 15 minutes, or it's up to you whether it is already cooked. But the good direction there in the mix is 10 to 18 minutes. About 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we're gonna check on put some things that we like to put. Like for example, we have cashew nuts, butter, or whatever you like to put. Okay? So, make sure that your lid is very, very tight. Just like this. It's very tight. Just a little bit 18, 19, 20, 23. So this is how it looks like now inside. You can see. So after this, I'm gonna add chili powder, what's this, yeah, garlic powder, and instead of ghee, organic extra virgin olive oil. So yun yung ilalagay ko after this powder is steaming. At this point, you can also check how it looks like now. If you think it's okay, then 10 minutes is okay. It's already done, guys. Look at how it looks like. I turned off the lid. I stirred it, and I want to put the chili powder. Just put pour chili powder, and granulated something, and we put the extra virgin olive oil. Just a spoon, like this, and then we're gonna stir it. Afterwards, it's done. I'll serve ko na yung